Yeah! Sick! Happy New Year, Shredders, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to the curb spot, and I want to show you guys a really basic but really fun curb trick. It's super easy to do, and of course, we're going to cruise and get comfortable on our skateboards.
What are you going to teach us?
So I got a beginner trick. It's called the Firecracker. To do the Firecracker, you need to find a curb. Find a little escalator like this if you can, or you could just do it off a sidewalk. But you can work your way up. The lower you are, the easier it is, but the lower you are, you'll also miss your tail. Roll like a little mini manual, then foot's right here in the pocket, and just step down. And that momentum will not stop you. You'll keep going, I promise. You're not just gonna stop. So this is how you want your back foot in the back pocket. And just front foot, just normal on the bolts. And it's really cool because it's a trick that most anyone can do, and you can be a little bit aggressive and have a little bit of an attitude, and it's fun. Firecrackers are a really fun trick. But first and foremost, the first thing that you're gonna absolutely need to learn first is just rolling off a curb with speed. And make sure you bend your knees. When you're pushing, you're bending your knees. When you're riding and carving, you're bending your knees, you're moving and grooving. The Firecracker out of the Slappy is by far my favorite version. Have fun with it, bend your knees, learn how to ride your skateboard really good, and I know you're gonna get it. Come cruise with me. It's just coming out to the curb spot again and again, rolling around. As I get comfortable, as I start to progress, I'm just gonna take it slow because one, I'm a little freaked out because of my shoulder injury and I'm just trying to not revisit that. And two, I wanna have longevity with this thing. And really cruising and riding your skateboard good is a very basic fundamental that I feel like a lot of people skip, but it's very important. And I'm not gonna skip it this time. So I do appreciate you tuning in. And until next time, keep shredding and we'll see you again soon. If you're an older skateboarder, or if you know an older skateboarder that needs a kick in the butt to get back into skateboarding, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm trying to build a tribe here, a community of older skateboarders, new to the game skateboarders, and just skateboarders, period. So if that's something that interests you, let's get connected, and we'll see you guys soon.